Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get new Shopify recovery codes. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the Shopify website at shopify.com and log into your admin panel using your credentials. Once logged in, look at the top right corner where you'll see your profile photo or account initial. Click on it and select Manage Account from the drop-down menu. Now, you'll be taken to your account settings page. Here, locate the Security section. Click on it to open your security settings. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Recovery Codes. Click on View Codes to see your current recovery codes. If your codes are already used or compromised, click on Regenerate Codes. This will instantly generate a new set of recovery codes for your account. Be sure to store these codes in a safe place, such as a trusted password manager, since they can only be used once. So that's basically how you can get new Shopify recovery codes. That's it for this video. Thanks.